everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we're going to be making feta cheese bread. Start off with 1 cup milk, 1 cup water, 1.5 tablespoons of yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and whisk well. Add a half a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and 2 egg whites. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Okay, let's continue. Add 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure the salt goes onto the flour so it does not kill the yeast. Mix with wooden spoon. Now add 3 more cups of flour. Clean off wooden spoon with your hands and add 1/3 of a cup of softened butter. Continue to knead the dough for at least 10 minutes. Cover dough with towel and place in a warm area for 1 hour to rise. Dump dough onto counter and roll and throw dough a few times. Start rolling out dough into an oblong shape. Ours was 4 feet long. Once it's rolled out, make slits with a pizza cutter. Spoon out the feta and mint mixture. Carefully fold over and then roll the side with the slits in it. Transfer to a large baking pan lined with parchment paper. Cover and let rise for about 40 minutes. This is a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Brush on egg wash and sesame seeds. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. This bread is so fluffy. Your family will love it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.